Hey Dave, just here exercising. That's how I stay so ripped. Other than exercising, my favorite thing is your YouTube channel. It is awesome. Keep the content coming. One question I have is, what is the best way to get started in commercial real estate? Let me know. Great question. You're clearly in amazing shape, so keep it up. So if you want to know how to get started investing in commercial real estate, there are two things you can do today to get the process going. If you don't do these two things, you're never going to find deals and you're never going to be any closer to owning commercial real estate. Number one is find a commercial real estate broker. This seems obvious, but you would be surprised how many people talk about investing in commercial real estate, but wait years before they actually start talking to brokers. I would not recommend that. I think the best thing to do is start calling a few commercial real estate brokers, feel them out a little bit, tell them what you're looking for, and that is going to save you so much time in your search. You're probably busy doing whatever you do to earn a living, and so you don't have time to be looking at the market every single day. That's what commercial real estate brokers like me, Carlson O'Connell, that's what we do. We talk to you and you tell us what you're looking for, and then we start sending deals specifically to you, customized for what you're looking for, and save you all that time of searching. It's a free service. There's really no reason not to have someone kind of, bird dogging, looking for deals for you. And if you don't talk to a commercial real estate broker, no one is going to know what you're looking for, and you're never going to see the right deal. Now, when you talk to a broker, you want to make sure that that person is an expert in commercial real estate. There's a lot of great residential realtors out there. There's some people that do both, and I personally advise against it. I should not sell your house. That's not a good idea. In the same vein, you want a broker that is just commercial real estate. That's all they do. You also want to find someone that specializes in the type of building you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for a value add retail investment, you want someone that does a lot of retail deals. Make sure you ask that up front. The second step that you could do today is decide what type of building you are looking for. The way we break it down in this channel is you're looking for either an owner-user building or a leased investment. We talk about owner-user buildings a lot. That's essentially if you have a business that is currently renting commercial space, this allows you to buy a building to put your own business in. It can be an awesome investment type, especially if you're already paying somebody else for rent. I mean, you're paying rent every single month to make somebody else rich. Why aren't you paying rent to yourself? So the first easy question is, do you own a business that is renting commercial space right now? If the answer to that is yes, I would advise you think about an owner-user commercial real estate investment. Now, those can be geographically limited because you can only buy a building, that's convenient to where you want to work. If your business is in California, you can't buy an owner-user building in Alabama. That's obvious. But what you really want to do is you want to think about, do I own a business? If the answer is yes, I would think about an owner-user building. If the answer is no, you can buy what we call a leased investment. So that's essentially a building that your business isn't going into, and you're essentially making an investment to make money off the tenants that are paying rent. So that opens you up geographically much wider. Obviously, if you live in California, you could buy a leased investment in Alabama. Once again, if you don't have a business to put in the building, you're going to want to look at a leased investment. The other thing you want to determine by talking to a commercial real estate broker is what sort of asset type you're going to go after. Are you going to go after retail or office or industrial or multifamily or self-storage? There's a lot of different types, and there's pros and cons to all of them. You want to talk to a commercial real estate broker and talk about your goals and help get some guidance on what sort of building you should be looking for. It also depends on the market. In certain markets, industrial can be great value. In certain markets, industrial is way overpriced, and you want to talk to somebody that can really walk you through all of those distinctions. So once again, those are two things you can do today to get started in commercial real estate investing. If you don't do these things, no one's going to know you're looking, and no one's going to send you any deals. I really just advise you to go after it today, make a couple of phone calls, start your journey on commercial real estate investing. And, I think you'll find that, the more you talk to people, the more deals you're going to see, and eventually you're going to find that right property. So thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Dave with Carlson O'Connell Commercial Real Estate. We're putting out one video a week. So if you got any value out of this, please hit subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks, and have a great rest of your week.